Peace and blessings, Melanated. I was just sitting here and pondering. You know me, I ponder a lot. And yesterday there was an edge on as I sit here. It was not its normal, peaceful demeanor, but I meditated and pushed through and became calm. But this morning, I walked out here and it rained last night. And sometimes we don't realize that within nature is everything we need. The rain not only can wash away contaminants and impurities that are out there, it can also wash away negative energies. The rain can wash away negative energy. That's why it's good to stand in the rain sometimes. We've been told as children, boy, get out that rain before you catch cold. They didn't know any better. But the rain can wash away impurities, and it also can wash away negativity, negative energy. It was so peaceful out here this morning. It just felt like utopia sitting here. I say all that to say that our true connection, our true healing comes from nature. It doesn't come from a bottle, from a pharmacy, an MD. It comes from nature. Because we are a part of nature. We were created from nature. Part of our problem is we perceive the birds, the bees, the animals of this world as lesser beings than us. So to achieve true peace and true balance, you have to understand that that's not true. We say that animals don't have logic and reason. That's something we've been told. I've watched animals in the past 6 years and paid attention to them. I have 3 pets, dogs. Watch them. They reason better than we do. If you believe that stuff about animals being lesser beings, and man is the creme de la creme of all, then think about this. If man disappeared tomorrow, the animals would suffer some, they would go on. Nuclear plants would explode, and things like that. But after all of that had cleared, millions of years later, thousands of years later, they would still be here. And the earth would go back to thriving because there will be no nuclear plants. There will be nobody digging coal out of her soul. There will be nobody taking gold from her essence. There will be nobody digging out all the platinum, the uranium. Things would begin to repair themselves, and the animals would still be here. But if every animal and bug and creature and microorganism left this world tomorrow, man would not be able to survive. There would be no pollinators to pollinate. There would be no scavengers to clean up. Man is addicted to meat. So you see, the world could go on without man. But it couldn't go on without the animals. Like I said, Melanated, just pondering. Jump in the comments. Let me know what you think.